everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we are here at Urbanized Sky Habitat by Urban Rise Group, which is located on Miapur near Aminpur Lake, Hyderabad. You see, Urban Rise has come up with very exciting offers for their customers. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is your marketing office, and your land parcel is just over there at a walking distance. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers. But in Housey, you get connected directly with the developers because in Housey, listings are done by the builders and not brokers. Now, in this video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, the location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's get started. So the first one is the project overview. Urbanized Sky Habitat will be constructed on 10.6 acres of land parcel, 5 towers with 4 basements plus ground plus 3 podium plus 42 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located on Miapur Road near Aminpur Lake, Hyderabad, which is a rapidly growing residential corridor. And this is your road's connectivity. Now the nearby connectivity, the Miapur metro station is only a 5 minutes drive from here, and the Mira Hospital is also just 3 minutes away. Then Lingampalli railway station is also 15 minutes away. Now coming over to the amenities part, Urban Rise Sky Habitat comes with 200 plus world-class amenities, including 1 lakh plus square feet of a grand clubhouse, which has multiple activity zones. Then there is swimming pool, fitness zone, landscape garden, jogging track, kids play area and many more. Moving over to the super built up area, 3 BHK is 1509 to 1839 square feet and 4 BHK is 2309 to 2339 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So right now the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site, where the sales team will explain the complete project details, share the pricing, payment plans and the offers as well. And you will also be taken to show the sample flat apartment. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking by paying a certain token amount. Next, coming over to the launch discount and offers, the main part of this video. So right now, Urban Rise has come up with a very exciting offer of 10.90. That is, a customer has to pay 10% of booking and 90% at the time of handover. In between that, no payments and no EMI and no loan options. It is still the time of the handover. So everyone, this was the teaser of Urban Rise Sky Habitat by Urban Rise Group, which is located in Miapur, Hyderabad, a luxurious residential project. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.